Alright, so I got a 2017 Honda Accord, and I want to reset the oil life, the oil maintenance reminder, okay? So there's two ways to do it with this car. You're going to either do it here with the stick here, or you can do it with the display here. If you don't have the display, I'll show you how to do it with the stick. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and turn this key forward without starting the car. And I'm going to press and hold down the stick button until I see oil life, and then I'm going to press and hold it down. And it's going to take about 10 seconds until this thing starts to blink, and I'm going to let go of the button and I'm going to hold it again. Okay, I'm going to let go, I'm going to hold it again for the 5 seconds. And it'll stop blinking and reset. Now it already shows 100%, but that's how you do it, okay? I'm going to go through it one more time. Alright, so stick the key in, turn it forward, don't start it, okay? Hit the button, look for oil life. Alright, and then you're going to press and hold it down until it blinks. It takes 10 seconds. Okay, let go. Hold it back down for 5 seconds and it should stop blinking and reset the percentage. Alright, so here on the display here, what we're looking for is you're going to go to settings. Okay, if you have this, and then scroll over to vehicle settings and then go to maintenance info, and it'll ask you if you want to reset. Okay, no problem. Okay, and that's it. Pretty simple.